Hello, this is Sagar here. So today we'll see. I have some of the layers are there: roads, properties, and grids. So today we'll see how to make a tool to get feature counts. What are the layer are available in table of content? So one of the tool we will develop using the Python codes, and we'll see the feature counts of these are the layers, isn't it? So I have developed those are the code, and I'll show you those are the codes. And this is the code here. Yeah. So I have imported our and PythonAaddins. So this is the one of the class feature class is there. So in that class I have written the check in enable true and check false, and this is the one click. Once you click on that particular command, this function will work, and this it will fire. So feature count, I have taken one of the list. X is variable for the count of the features. MXT, the current MXT. So in that layer MXT, what are the layers are there? It will take those are the layers, and in that layer it will count the features here. Once that feature count, it will be stored in the variable, and later that it will go for the it will display in a using Python add-ins. So we'll see, and we'll get automatically we'll get the refresh active view of table of content. So now I'll show you that tool. So this is the tool I have prepared, count feature using Python add-in, and these are the layers are there. Once I click on this command, automatically I'll get one of the pop-up window, and within that we'll see the feature counts. If I click, we'll get the features. So first one, road. Second one, the properties, and third one, grid. Automatically, as well as we will get the feature count. In a road, there are 12. In a property of that particular feature, there are 530 feature count is there, and for the grid 20. If we want to check, right click on the road. If we click OK, click and see. So there, 0 to 12 features are available. So this is the easy to work. Yeah, thanks for watching my videos.